Alright, hey, how's it going? And today's video I am going to show you basically three things. I'm going to show you how I find trades on TradingView on the free version, and I'm going to show you where the screener is, and I'm going to show you what settings I use for this screener. This is how I search for my stocks to swing trade using the free version of TradingView. So just to get this out of the way, this is not any financial advice whatsoever. This is all just for educational purposes. So let's get to it. We're on TradingView. When you open it up, it looks like this. We're going to go to products here. And then we just go to, we're going to go to super charts because I'm going to get my charts open, and here they are. And I'll show you how to get to them. So I'll just click out of them, and then I'll show you how you get to them. So this is what your chart's going to look like. You do see my watch list here. Go ahead. It's mostly, they've got VOO, Bitcoin, and I'm getting off track. But you can look at my watch list if you want. We click on indicators. We're going to click on indicators. We're going to type in SMA 9/50/180. It's going to get this one from M. Phillips. We click on that one. Here we go. And here it is. Now I like to make changes to this. And you just simply go to settings. There's this little octagon thing, and there's inputs. I'm going to, as you see the inputs, quick on the lines. So this white one is the SMA 180, but you could change it if you wanted to. The blue is the SMA 50. The red, not this red, the other red one here is the SMA 9, and this yellow one, EMA 20. So a lot of information. And then you could change the buy, sell, swing. This buy, as you can see, there's buy and sells. They work pretty good on the daily. This is not a day. I'm a swing trader on the daily, just to verify. And to verify again, you cannot, when I go to the screener, you can't search for stuff, anything lower than the daily. And I'll get to that later. I'm getting off track again. So here we go, just to explain the lines. And then you got kind of this like super trend line, but I really don't think you need that. So I usually go to settings, you go to style, and I click off the buy sell chart line since I already had the buy sell, but some people like it. You can leave it if you want. So I'm sort of all set up. I'm going to go to a subchart here. So I'll click back on here, click back to MACD. Click, and we got a nice MACD subchart there. I do not make any changes to that. And here we go. It's February 25th, if my memory serves me. And so, look at this. We're kind of going down. The market's going down a little bit. We'll see where it goes tomorrow. I'm a chart reader, not a news reader. You go by the news and the world's falling apart, but I do not follow the news. I go by charts, strictly charts. So do whatever you want. So I got my setup, and so now I'm going to go to screeners, but I got to go to another page. So I'll just got to go to TradingView. I got to open up another TradingView to get the screener. We go to products. It's right down here, screeners, and we just go right here to stocks. As you can see, we've got almost 14,000 stocks. That's too many to look for. So I click on the plus sign, and I'm going to go straight to market data, average volume. It's the first one here, 30 days, add filter. Then I'm going to make changes. So you just simply click on it, push manual setup. Here in the numbers, it's 0. I'm going to put a million. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count out all my zeros. And now we're down to 2,000, more like it, but we're going to make it even better. We're going to put in, I'm going to type in MACD, and you got to click on it, and I don't change anything here. This is what I was talking about. You cannot do, on the free version, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. You can't do 4 hour or less. You can only do 1 day, week, or the month. So I'm just keeping it at 1 day. That's what I use. And we click add filter. We're not done yet. I'm going to go back up in here and check level crosses up signal. I'm down to 45, so we're doing pretty good. I'm going to click on it again and type in SMA for simple moving average. And I'm going to click on 200. And I'm going to add. And then I'll click on it again and click below price. We're down to 19. We got one more to go, another SMA. And we're going to, on days here, we're going to click 9. And we're add. And then we've got to make, I'll make a brief change here. Well, you got to change, otherwise it won't do anything. I'm going to do below price 0 to 10%. We're down to 8. You can also check it down less. You can go manual setup, and you can even do 0 to 3%. There you go. We're down to 6 nice ones. I do follow, then I follow the annualist ratings. You can click on this to go to the best ones. The 2 buys are what I would look at here. I think this is a little bit, you can do below price, get 18. You know how you could change, you just do your own thing. Below price 0 to 10%. And we've got 3. So, you know, we've got ICE, and then you just simply click on it. This is what happened on the daily. You can click on supercharts to see what it looks like on your superchart that you just set up everything. And this is going up. I don't really see a swing trade on this one, but we can just check the next one. You don't always have to make a trade. That's the secret to trade. This one's consolidating. See how it's going this way? Kind of went up. I do like the MACD, so this would be a maybe. And there's just one more, Amarin AEE. But they all look like they are on the move up. This one's on the move up. We do have a buy signal. It does look like the dividend's coming in on March 11th. So there is some news. You click on this little, I guess it's a lightning bolt, thunderbolt. I don't know. And it'll tell you some news. It's not telling me any news. Oh, Amarin Core Senior Vice President and CFO sells 6,500 shares. 60, yes. And if you want to use that, you can. I don't. I go by trend lines and charts. So that's it. That's how I find. So that's how on the free version of TradingView, that's how I find them to see if I'm going to trade, or if, you know, sometimes the best thing is to do not make any trades. So yeah, that's how the indicators I use, the screener I use, all for free, and how I get my setup. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.